Hey guys, this is my bike check, and I sound gay as fuck because I'm sick. I got the Weird People Envy, practically all stock. Well, it's all stock. 2011. It's pretty much been holding up. Besides the tires are like super gay, and the seat is like fucked up for me now. It's like all rugged in, and this tire's like garbage. Look at that. See if you can see that. Well, I know you can't see that, but wait, let's see. Like right there. It's like really garbage. Econ hub. Yeah, pretty much the filling tires. Econ brakes. Amazing. Chain, salt. Econ sprockets. I don't know what the fuck the bearings are. Yeah, I need that on. Put on a Odyssey tire. I don't know why, but I just did. Who cares? I think it's 2.1, I believe. Wait, I'm not sure. Oh, it's 20 by 2.10. Yeah. Female axles, E-clamp front hub, We the People Envy forks. Yeah. We the People. Forgot the stem, but whatever. Grips. Alright, lever. And yeah. Now it's time to do sound. Which sounds pretty loud. Yeah, I feel. Oh yeah, here's my bike check. 2011 With People Envy. Yeah, just comment, rate, and subscribe. Trying to be a YouTube partner. Yeah, well, see ya. That's my GT.